Welcome to the Ledger of Purpose, a step-by-step guide to zero-based budgeting by Mason Reed. This book covers budget management. Chapter 1, The Ledger of Purpose, a step-by-step guide to zero-based budgeting. In the quiet suburb of Maplewood, the Thompson family found themselves at a financial crossroads. Like many families, they had dreams: a cozy home, college funds for their children, and perhaps a vacation to a sunny beach. Yet, as the bills piled up and credit card balances grew, these dreams seemed to drift further away. The Thompsons were not extravagant spenders. They were simply caught in the whirlwind of everyday expenses, unaware of how quickly things were spiraling out of control. The turning point came one evening when Emily Thompson stumbled upon an online article about zero-based budgeting. Intrigued by the notion of assigning every dollar a purpose, she shared the concept with her husband, Mark. Together, they embarked on a transformative journey, redefining their financial landscape. Within months, the Thompsons not only managed to pay off a significant portion of their debt, but also started saving for their future. This newfound financial clarity and control over their spending opened doors to possibilities they once thought unreachable. This book, The Ledger of Purpose, a step-by-step guide to zero-based budgeting, is inspired by stories like the Thompsons. Its purpose is to equip you with a clear, actionable framework for financial success. This is not just a book about numbers. It's about crafting a life of financial freedom and purpose. Let's embark on this journey together. Here's what you can expect as you turn the pages. Understanding zero-based budgeting. We'll start by demystifying the concept of zero-based budgeting, exploring its importance and benefits, and tracing the evolution of budgeting methods. Setting financial goals. You'll learn to identify and prioritize your personal financial goals, using frameworks like SMART goals to ensure they are achievable and meaningful. Creating your budget. This module will guide you through the step-by-step process of building a zero-based budget, complete with examples of common expenses and categories. Tracking expenses. Discover the importance of meticulous expense tracking and explore various methods, from apps to spreadsheets, to ensure you stay on track. Adjusting for success. Learn how to review and adjust your budget monthly, overcoming common challenges and adapting to changes in your financial situation. Each module builds upon the last, ensuring a logical progression from understanding the basics to mastering the art of budgeting. By the end of this book, you will not only have the tools to manage your finances effectively, but also the confidence to pursue your dreams with purpose and clarity. Now, let's dive into Module 1 and set the foundation for your journey to financial empowerment. Module 1, Understanding Zero-Based Budgeting. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Dave Ramsey. Welcome to the first module of your financial transformation journey. Understanding zero-based budgeting is crucial because it lays the groundwork for everything else you will learn in this book. This module will not only explain the mechanics of zero-based budgeting, but also illuminate the profound impact it can have on your financial well-being. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid grasp of how zero-based budgeting can bring clarity and control to your financial life, setting the stage for achieving your goals. 1. What is zero-based budgeting? Zero-based budgeting is a method where every dollar of your income is allocated to expenses, savings, or debt repayment, ensuring that your income minus your outgo equals zero. Unlike traditional budgeting, which often relies on historical spending patterns, zero-based budgeting starts from scratch each month. This approach forces you to justify every expense, making it a powerful tool for financial clarity and control. Consider this. Instead of assuming you'll spend $200 on dining out, because that's what you spent last month, zero-based budgeting requires you to evaluate whether that expenditure aligns with your current financial priorities. By questioning each expense, you become more intentional with your money, leading to better financial decisions. For the Thompsons, this meant scrutinizing every aspect of their spending. They realized they were spending more on takeout than they had anticipated. By reallocating those funds towards their debt, they made significant progress in a short time. This shift in mindset from passive spending to active financial management was pivotal in their journey. Part 2. The benefits of zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting offers several benefits that extend beyond mere financial management. Here are some of the key advantages. Financial clarity. By assigning every dollar a purpose, you gain a clear understanding of where your money is going. This clarity helps in identifying unnecessary expenses and reallocating funds towards your goals. Control over spending. With zero-based budgeting, you are in the driver's seat of your financial journey. You decide how to allocate your resources, ensuring that spending aligns with your priorities. Goal achievement. By intentionally directing money towards savings and debt repayment, you can make tangible progress towards your financial goals, whether it's building an emergency fund or saving for a down payment on a house. Emily Thompson found that the clarity and control offered by zero-based budgeting were empowering. For the first time, she felt confident in her ability to manage the family's finances, knowing that every dollar was working towards their future. The history and evolution of budgeting methods. To appreciate the significance of zero-based budgeting, it's helpful to understand the evolution of budgeting methods. Traditional budgeting often relied on fixed categories and historical spending patterns. While this approach provided a basic framework, it lacked the flexibility and intentionality of zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting originated in the business world, where companies sought more efficient ways to allocate resources. By justifying every expense, businesses could eliminate waste and focus on strategic priorities. This method gradually made its way into personal finance, where individuals discovered its potential to transform their financial lives. The Thompsons' story is a testament to this evolution. By adopting zero-based budgeting, they moved away from outdated methods and embraced a system that aligned with their values and goals. 4. Practical steps to implement zero-based budgeting. Implementing zero-based budgeting involves several practical steps. Calculate your income. Begin by determining your total monthly income. Include all sources, such as salaries, bonuses, and side hustles. List your expenses. Create a comprehensive list of all monthly expenses, including fixed costs like rent and variable expenses like groceries. Allocate every dollar. Assign every dollar of your income to a specific category, ensuring that your income minus expenses equals zero. Review and adjust. At the end of each month, review your budget and make necessary adjustments. This process ensures that your budget remains aligned with your goals. For the Thompsons, these steps were transformative. By methodically allocating their income, they gained control over their finances and were able to prioritize debt repayment and savings. 5. Common challenges and solutions. Like any financial strategy, zero-based budgeting comes with its challenges. Here are some common obstacles and solutions. Inconsistent income. If your income varies month to month, it can be challenging to allocate every dollar. In such cases, focus on prioritizing essential expenses and creating a buffer for variable income. Unexpected expenses. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can derail your budget. Build an emergency fund to cover these surprises without affecting your budget. Staying motivated. Maintaining a budget requires discipline. To stay motivated, regularly review your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. The Thompsons faced many of these challenges, but by staying committed to their goals and adapting their strategies, they overcame these obstacles and achieved financial success. Action Step Challenge. Your challenge for this module is to create a zero-based budget for the upcoming month. Start by calculating your total income and listing all expenses. Then, allocate every dollar to a specific category, ensuring that your income minus expenses equals zero. As you go through this process, reflect on your financial priorities and make adjustments as needed. This exercise will provide you with a clear picture of your financial situation and set the foundation for achieving your goals. Remember, the key to success is consistency and adaptability. Review your budget regularly and make necessary adjustments to stay on track. Reflection section. As you complete this module, take a moment to reflect on the insights you've gained. Understanding zero-based budgeting is not just about managing money, it's about taking control of your financial future. By assigning every dollar a purpose, you are making intentional choices that align with your values and goals. Consider the story of the Thompsons and how zero-based budgeting transformed their lives. Let their journey inspire you to take charge of your finances and pursue your dreams with confidence and clarity. Central to this transformation is the realization that you have the power to shape your financial destiny. Embrace this opportunity and take the first step towards a life of financial freedom and purpose. References Ramsey D. 2009. The Total Money Makeover, a Proven Plan for Financial Fitness. Thomas Nelson Johnson, 2018. Budgeting 101. From getting out of debt and tracking expenses to setting financial goals and building your savings, your essential guide to budgeting. Adams Media, Smith J., 2020. Zero-Based Budgeting, The Complete Guide to Financial Freedom. HarperCollins.